Transferring money at an ATM is a convenient way to send funds to another account or person. To begin, locate an ATM near you and ensure it is affiliated with your bank or financial institution. Step 1. Insert your card into the ATM and enter your personal identification number. Select the language and choose the transfer option from the menu. You will be prompted to choose the type of transfer, such as to another account at the same bank or to an account at a different bank. Step 2. Enter the recipient's account details, including the account number and routing number if necessary. Verify the information to ensure accuracy, as incorrect details may result in a failed transfer. Step 3. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and select the account from which you want to transfer the funds. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct, including the recipient's information and the transfer amount. Step 4. Confirm the transaction and wait for the ATM to process the transfer. You will receive a confirmation receipt once the transfer is complete. Keep this receipt for your records, as it will include the transaction details and a reference number. When transferring money at an ATM, it is essential to be aware of any transfer limits or fees associated with the transaction. Check with your bank to determine the daily transfer limit and any applicable fees. Additionally, be mindful of your account balance to avoid overdrafts or insufficient funds. To ensure a secure transaction, always use an ATM located in a secure area and keep your card and PIN confidential. Never share your account details or PIN with anyone, and monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can transfer money at an ATM quickly and securely. Remember to always verify the recipient's information and review the transaction details before confirming the transfer. If you encounter any issues or have questions, contact your bank's customer support for assistance.